How to solve algebra problems in PhotoMath app. I'm going to guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, make sure that you've already installed the PhotoMath app. Once you download the app, launch the app on your phone. In this app, you do not need to sign up or log into your account. It'll directly open up your camera. You can scan the math problems directly. So you just need to frame the problem in the camera. Position your camera in a way so that the math equation is clearly visible within this rectangle. For example, I'll capture this problem over here. You have to make sure it is within the rectangle. Now you can capture this problem. It will then automatically display the solution to the problem instantly. If you scroll down, here you'll see the solution. If you want to see the step-by-step instructions, you can tap on the Show Solving Steps button. And there you go, here you'll see the breakdown of the steps. So that's how you can easily solve the algebra problems in PhotoMath app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.